Yeah, so here's the bridge now, guys. I'm doing footage on my phone for a bit. So here's the bridge that was on the former Hornsea railway line. And back up that way is Sutton on Hull. And then this way is towards Swine. So this is what I'm doing today. I'm going from Sutton on Hull through to Swine. And see that Hull used to be over there, so houses are there. So Hull's over there. Sutton on Hull and Kingston on Hull's over there. Then over here is Hornsea. So that's the bridge that's one of the bridges that used to be on this line. And it's still here. Brickwork is, but the modern day structure, the steel work is new, I think. So we're out in the lovely open countryside now, guys. So now we're heading towards Swine, the next station on this line. So we're in the beautiful Yorkshire countryside now, as you can tell. So the bridge is back up there. So I made my way further along the track bed now, guys, which is there. So I've made my way along the track bed a little bit more. And Hull's back up there, as you can see the houses. But I've just stumbled across this now, guys. An old bridge there from the rear area. And there's a purse hidden in the undergrowth. You can just see the top of it. And there from the rear area. And the Hornsea railway line is up there. So I've just stumbled across this now, guys. I've just stumbled across it. So that's the old bridge, and the person sitting in the undergrowth there. Go back up to here now. Whoa, okay. There you are, guys. You can see the purse clearly now. So that's the purse, and this is the bridge what I'm walking on. And these are from the rear area as well. And now I'm back on the track bed. So there's an old purse there and a bridge, and that's part of the whole Hornsea railway line as well. So I will see you guys when I get further on. Further on from that bridge, guys, what I've just filmed, I've come across this section here. I've just come across this little section here, the rusty gate. Rusty gate there, and then another one of the bridges. That's a concrete bridge, and that carries the water underneath as well. But that's not what I'm here for, guys. The bit I'm here for is here, on the floor here. Look at this, guys. Old railway sleepers. Old railway sleepers, guys. So these are surviving from the rear area as well. See? Wood and everything. So, old wooden sleepers. Oh, just embedded in the ground. So that's what I've discovered here, guys. See you in a bit. I've come across more railway sleepers here now, guys. I've come across more. You can just see them hidden in the undergrowth. See, you can just see them. So I've come across some more railway sleepers. And they're the bends I've just come round. See, railway sleepers. And I don't know how long these have been here for, guys, but they're embedded in the ground, so I don't know how long these have been here for. And that way's towards Swine. That way's back towards Sutton on Hull. So I'm going to continue on my journey now, guys, down to Swine railway station. So now I'm just approaching Swine railway station. See the Swine railway station just up there. But this line has just had a massive curve in it. You can see back up there, it's had a massive curve. So now I'm on the approach to Swine railway station, which is just up there. You can see, I can see the station house. Don't know whether you guys will be able to see that. But I'm approaching Swine railway station now, and the station house is there. And that survives as a private residence. But this line just come off, just gone on to curve and goes off on the curve as well. So Sutton on Hull and Kingston on Hull is that way, and Hornsea is this way. We're still in the Yorkshire countryside now, guys. We're still in the Yorkshire countryside. So I will see you guys when I get to Swine railway station. Now, guys, we're on the approach to Swine railway station. That's from the rear, that house in there. You can just see it. And this is a trap bed. Hiya! Yeah, so just up here, guys, is Swine railway station. Yeah, just up here, guys, is Swine railway station. And this is the platform, this is the platform which is approaching now. This is the platform. This is the down platform towards Hull. And just through them trees is Swine railway station. And you can see bits of it here. But you've got to know where you're looking for this platform. So it's that hidden. You've got to look where you got to see where you got to know what you're looking for. Like there, see? You can see some of it in there. You can see some of the platform there. So you've got to know what you're looking for. Because the whole platform's totally hidden by all this undergrowth. But it's still under here. You can pick it up. But you've got to know where you're looking. And there's the old fence up there. So this was the whole platform, this one was what we're on now. But you have got to know what you're looking for that platform. And there's Swine railway station directly in front of us. Our Swine railway station had 2 platforms on, both saggy at either side of the Swine level crossing, which is just in front of me. So that was the whole platform there, but she's heavily overgrown, but you've got to know what you're looking for. And just up here, guys, is Swine level crossing. There you go. Swine level crossing. There's Swine for Swine down there. And that is the up platform towards Hornsea. And there's the station house, which is now a private residence. We can see the coping stones for the up platform towards Hornsea. And that's Swine railway station. But there's a remarkable survivor here, guys, which is just coming to view. And this is the brick remains of the old signal box. And it's still in really good condition, even though it's falling down. Let's bear in mind, guys, this line has been closed since 1964. But this was the brick wall for the former signal box. Whoops. There you go. So this used to carry a signal box, guys, this used to. And the signal box was just up there. All that remains now, though, is the brick wall, the base around it. That's all that survives on this line now. So that's all survives. That what survives with the signal box base. And that survives at Swine railway station. And that is Swine railway station, which is now a private residence. There's a little bench there so people can have picnics here. But that's Swine railway station. So guys, this is Swine railway station on the former Hornsea railway line. And that's Swine station house. Then back up there's the other platform as well, but the down platform to Hornsea is there. You can just see it in the undergrowth. But now the Swine railway station now is private residence. And Hornsea's up that way. The next stop on this line will be Scaler. So this is Swine railway station, guys.